Hello friends, today I am going to introduce an unique palm trading platform where people can join easily and earn maximum trading profit from it. The name of our business plan is Palm Global and visit official website. All information like about us, mission, vision and everything. Palm, percentage allocation management module. Trading is an innovative investment approach that allows investors to allocate funds to experienced traders, known as palm managers. These managers trade on behalf of the investors, utilizing their expertise to generate profits. The Palm system ensures transparency, as investors can monitor the manager's performance and trading activity in real time. Also, you can see our benefits of Palm trading, why choose us, who we are and why we are the best in Palm. So dear friends, you can start with minimum $60, maximum unlimited. You get total 5 types of earning opportunity: trading profit, level income, rank bonus, leadership bonus and time-bound profit. Where you get Palm trading profit share 6% to 15%, Palm profit sharing. Level income 53%, rank bonus income 24%, Palm leadership bonus income 21%. First we talk about our trading profit, where you get 6% to 15% monthly Palm trading profit sharing bonus on daily basis Monday to Friday. Next we talk about Palm profit sharing income, where you get 10% from level 1, 6% from level 2, 5% from level 3, 3% from level 4, 2% from level 5 to 10, 1% from level 11 to 15, 2% from level 16 to 21. To get total 21 levels level income needs some direct referral you can see on screen. Table chart. Next we talk about our rank bonus income, where you get total 7 rank. In first star rank needs self-investment $500, 10 direct person. Direct investment $1,250, total G investment $25,000 and get rank profit 7%. In second ultimate rank needs self-investment $1,500, 10 direct person includes to star, direct investment $3,750, total G investment $75,000 and get rank profit 9%. This type of rank income chart you can see on screen, where you get 12% from legend rank, 15% from celebrity rank, 18% from master rank, 21% from champion rank, and 24% from captain rank. Next we talk about our Palm leadership bonus, where you get 15% from master rank leadership bonus, get 18% from champion rank leadership bonus, and get 21% from captain rank leadership bonus. On our rank income business count 50 ratio. All these bonuses will be based on the company's CTO. Total trading profit. Last we talk about our time-bound profit, where you get 10% deposit bonus if you lock your investment for 6 months, get 15%. Deposit bonus if you lock your investment for 12 months, get 20% deposit bonus if you lock your investment for 18 months. Example, deposit $100 locking for 6 months, then your total amount will be counted as $110 instant. Only the principal amount can be withdrawn excluding time-bound profit. So friends, this is our complete business plan. Now we discuss about our terms and conditions. Registration will be free and each member will have 1 ID, 1 mobile number and 1 email for registration. Principal amount can be withdrawn anytime. If you withdraw the principal amount before 90 working days, then 15% will be deducted from the amount. Principal amount withdrawal, you will get it in 24 to 48 hours. Monday to Friday. Deposit and withdrawal USDT, BEP BEES. 4% deduction charge will be imposed on any working income. You can withdraw the income after closing. All profits will be based on the profit made on the Palm trading. Minimum withdrawal thus. There will be closing of the company every week. Friends, I hope you understand our business plan very well. In this platform, anyone can join easily and can earn maximum profit. If you want to join our platform, then check video description. Thanks to all.